Xitang is a 1,000-year-old town full of local flavor. For thousands of years, the industrious and intelligent laboring people have created many mouth-watering delicacies in their seemingly ordinary lives. The techniques of making these foods have been passed down for thousands of years and have been handed down to this day. Ba Zhen cakes are a special representative of these delicacies. Ba Zhen cake is a famous product of Jiashan, which is popular among the people because of the 8 Chinese medicines in it. Ba Zhen Gao combines pharmacology and medicine in the pastry. It is medicine and food, and it is an indispensable traditional food for visiting friends and relatives at various festivals. Xitang Ba Zhen cake was firstly created by Xitang Pharmacy, a century-old store. The history of Xitang Ba Zhen cake can be traced back to 1955. The founder, Zhong Daosun, referred to the prescription of Ba Zhen cake, Orthodox Manual of External Medicine by Chen Shigong in Ming Dynasty, and combined with the clinical experience to produce Ba Zhen cake, which is a healthy food with the function of appetizer, spleen, neutralization, anti-diarrheal, and elimination of food. After continuous improvement, Ba Zhen cake is made of high-quality glutinous rice and new sugar as raw materials. The process of making Ba Zhen Gao is tedious and complicated, testing patience and experience. The production of the traditional Ba Zhen Gao involves 14 processes, including selecting glutinous rice, purchasing various local herbs, stir-frying the rice, concocting the herbs, grinding the powder, milling the herbs, refining the sugar, mixing the cake powder, making the cake billet, steaming the cake, cooling it, slicing it, drying it, and packaging it. Among them, fried rice and concocted herbs are the most delicate aspects. Fried rice is the autumn harvest of high-quality glutinous rice, fried and ground into the powder. It is placed in a vat and used in the summer of the following years, which is called winter for summer use. Mix the concoction of herbs is to select the best local herbs through a special treatment to maximize their effectiveness, and crushed into fine powder. Ba Zhen Gao is made with exquisite materials and craftsmanship to make it taste fragrant, sweet, and crispy. In the hearts of many Jiashan people, nowadays the Ba Zhen Gao represents not only the old hometown flavor, but also the cultural self-confidence.